Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rivenger here of Hip the Hoopla, and here I am on day 6 for the World Hoop Day Dance Challenge. So today would normally be a day of review, but we're going to learn a few extra counts of the very first verse with the last 16 counts, and so we're going to do that first. We're going to learn a few extra choreography counts, and then we're going to review the whole week 1. So you're basically going to have a nutshell, kind of like the Cliff Notes version of the first part of the dance, at least the first minute of the 3 minutes. So, and that is going to be very cool. And stick around to the end because I will have a really cool hoop-related kiss fact. Yes, kiss. Yep. All right, so stick around for that. All right, so let's learn the next choreography counts. If you haven't already, download the song Get Into Life with a Hula Hoop on the SoundCloud download link, and I have that link listed below. All right, so what we're going to do is we just got done with the Mind the Blue. That was 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to bring the hoop down from here, and I'm gripping the hoop in my right hand. So there's an interesting thing. You could just watch it just like this, because if you notice, the camera is reversed. So this back here is backwards, and this here, if you're reading this and it says chill backwards, you're watching it in reverse. You see, you could just mirror me just by watching front ways. So that solves an interesting dilemma problem, but I just figured that out. So depending on which camera I use, that just is a happy accident. So this will go a little bit faster then, since I don't have to necessarily do forwards and backwards, because you're getting the correct handage on that. Yeah, handage, that's a technical word. All right, so what we're doing is we just wrapped around. We just brought this up, and oops, we came up, round, down, and our Mind Blue 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to grab the hoop with the right hand and left hand at about 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock, and you're going to bring this down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to bring this up, and you're twisting to the right with your hoop, and this is just a hoop float down. So you're keeping this nice and level and parallel to the ground, and then as you come up 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to twist to the left. So we're coming up 1, 2, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to twist as far as you can to the left. So you might be turning towards the back if you can. Whatever feels comfortable for you. Make this nice and big and really move your arms up high. So we're here, our Mind Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to come forward, twist to the center, nice and tall. 1, 2. So we're going to pop over 1, 2. So move 1, hold 2, bring it down 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. So you're doing 4 positions of the hoop in place and in kind of a starfish pattern here. So we're raising all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, just about face level. You can even go under your chin so you can pop out and look all cute outside your hoop. You get 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once again, those counts, that's all the counts that we're learning today. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, we twist down to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist up to the left, bring us in 1, 2, down 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's add just that little part to the music, and then we're going to review the whole shebangy real quick all the way through. So let's see here. And we'll play. Let me back that up just a touch more. Mind the Blue 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So it's that easy. All right. Now we're going to add that in to everything that we just learned. Now let's just go over that one more time really quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now back to the beginning. So when we go back to the beginning, oh, thank you for the hearts up. So for those of you watching this live, and if you're watching on the recording, thanks so much as well. All right, so what we're doing is we're starting forward. We're starting in a nice stance. You can use whatever hula hoop size you want, and you're going to be starting with an outside grip, like so, outside of your hoop down below. So you're going to bring this up. So I'm just going to go review the counts, the whole thing through, and then we'll do it with the music. So we're going to bringing this up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're bringing that behind the back isolation 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8, then up 1, 2, 3, 4. You're hitting in the middle on that 4. Bring that back all the way down, hoop loop, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to reverse the direction of that whole pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. You're coming back with the left hand, going behind the head with that two-handed linear isolation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down 1, 2, 3, all the way up on 4. And then down 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we come back and we go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we punch up 1 to the right, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to take this out to the left 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 of those, 1, 2, 3, and down. And then we're going to take this with the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to scoop up. 1, 2, in 3, 4, out 5, in 6, out 7, in 8. And we're going to bring it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the mine, that blue part. And then we go back to those new counts that we just did. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a gentle twist down to the right. 5, 6, 7, twist up to the left. 7, 8, then bring it into center. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, down 7, 8. All right, so let's try all of that with music. And grab your hoops. And if you have any questions, let me know. The day 7 is Q&A, and I also have some performance tips and another fun fact for you. So, all right. So remember that the first 16 counts are going to be whatever you want. That's going to be the techno part of the song. So you're going to be doing either your own choreography or just improvise it. So what I highly recommend is holding for the first 4, or you know, if you have somebody else playing your music, turning on your music, and also doing the video for you, then you can definitely dance all the counts, or at least hold 1, 2, so you find your place in the music. That's what I highly recommend. And then whatever you do, get back down into this position right here, facing forward. You are my audience, so I'm facing my audience right here, and with the hoop down, so that we do the next move. You get into the next move and go from there. All right, so the whole thing with the music, here we go. So I'm just going to improvise. You do not have to do what I'm doing on the beginning part until I say this part is the choreography. So let's try it. There's a little bit of a hold part here. Okay, so I'm just jamming out here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull back. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Go down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha! That's it. That's everything. So that is, let me turn off the music for just a moment. All right, so you're a minute into the dance by doing all of that. All right, I'm going to go over this one more time, and then you can rewatch this at will. So try and get the counts the best as I can. And so try and keep smiling through this. And I'm just saying what the counts are because we've already gone over all the moves on this. And again, if I say right hand, you're using your right hand. So, or left hand or left side or which way you're turning on that. So, because like I just demonstrated, this camera angle is in reverse because this says chill, but you're reading it backwards, because that's the camera angle, and I just figured that out. So anyway, alrighty, let's try that again from the top. And again, remember the first counts you are doing it on your own choreography, your own improvisation, whatever you like. All right, ready? Let's do this. Okay, here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And out to the right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Punch out, down, 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 down. Right, left, right, left. Scoop, in, out, in, and down to left and up. Twist, flip over, and down and up. 5, 6. Those weren't really counts. The that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the part. Okay. Sometimes it gets a little flustering to try and lead and show you all at the same time. But anyway. So that is the whole choreography up to date. That is all of week 1, all of that choreography. So rewatch whatever parts that you need to. There's a way to watch video YouTubes in slow-mo, so you can slow move down to see exactly what I'm doing on that and see the counts of that. So now, if you stuck around to the end, I'm glad you did. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to give you a really cool bit of information on how a kiss and a hoop. You may not like this fun piece of information, but when the hoop hits yours, we get bruising and hooping from when the hoop hits us. So like we might be tossing it, it might bonk us, whatever. Sometimes we get bruising. So sometimes if you're waist hooping, for instance, you get like a little bit of bruising when you first start out or around the midsection. That can happen. Hopefully make sure that you're not doing so much hooping that you're hurting yourself. If you're doing a lot of excessive hurting of yourself, back off of that a lot. But when you do get those little bruises, we call those hoop kisses. So when you get like a little bruise or something like that, and in some of us, sometimes we show like our just crazy hoop injuries sometimes because we've bruised ourselves quite a bit, because when you go big, it's kind of like Olympic athletes or whatever, so there are some people that do some amazing things, but to be able to do amazing things, you have to really put yourself out there, and so things can happen. So anyway, hoop kisses are euphemistic word for hoop bruises or hoop injuries. So sometimes it kisses you. I call it bonking, but anyway, it is a hoop kiss. And for me, I have a little joke that it's been a good, when I break a nail, it's been a good hoop practice, because, then I know I've just, it is. That's my hoop kiss, is breaking a nail. That just happens. That's why I keep them so darn short now. So, because I break them anyway. So, from hooping. All right. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go practice. Again, download the song if you haven't already. Practice this first week. We will be putting all of this together. For week 2, we will be learning the chorus part of the song, and the cool thing is that chorus is going to repeat, so you're going to actually be more ahead by learning week 2 as well, because we're going to put week 1 and week 2 together. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will be answering them on the Q&A for the episode 7, and for day 7 I should say, and we will go from there. So type in your comments. If you haven't already, please like the channel, subscribe, comment, all that kind of good stuff, and share, please. Help be a World Hoop Day ambassador in the world. I am trying to have the goal of getting this out and having lots of hoop ambassadors besides just myself, getting this out there. We want to have it in 20 countries. We want to have over 500 hoopers hooping this year. So World Hoop Day is the first Saturday of October. This particular one is Saturday, October 3rd. So if you're watching this video for this particular choreography, that's when this is for. You can just watch this choreography and learn some cool hoop moves otherwise. So, all right, thanks so much for watching. Rock on, peace out. I will see you on day 7. If you have your questions, type them in and let me know what they are, and I will be answering some of those hoop questions for review and giving you a little performer tips and tricks and a fun fact for day 7. So it's going to be a nice little, besides this review, answering some detailed questions on that. So, all right, we'll see you on the next one. Rock on, peace out. Thanks for watching.